In this video, we review how you could use the AND, OR, and NOT operators to combine where conditions. The where clause with the use of the AND operator requires that two conditions are true. The use with the OR operator requires that one of the two conditions are true. And the use with the NOT operator negates that specific condition or eliminates any rows that meet that condition. So here's the basic syntax for select with the where and. Select from where condition 1 and condition 2 are true. Or select column name from your table name where condition 1 or condition 2 is true. Select your column name from your table name where not equal to your condition, or not including your condition. So let's go over the basic syntax for use of the where clause with the and or not. So we'll start with and. So we're going to use this query. We're going to select our color list price from the product table. So we're going to use a where clause, and for now we're just going to use list price. We're going to have where list price is greater than 40 and list price less than 100. We're going to execute, and we should have list price 40 and 100. Now your use of the and or not does not need to be with just the same column. So now we'll take this side and make it use the color column. So we're going to filter on color here, and color will be equal to red. So now the row needs to have a red color and a price less than 100. And so we only come up with one. And let's try another color. And black has a few more. So that is with and. Now let's go and try with the OR operator. We're going to take this same query and change the keyword from and to or. So it can be black, or the list price can be 100, less than 100. So let's execute that. So right now we see we have 24 rows, all black and all less than 100. So let's use the or. So now we have price, all the prices less than 100 showing up, but some prices are greater than 100, but because they're the color black, they're returning. So we have a lot more rows returning when we use or. Now let's use the not operator. Now the not operator doesn't seem so useful now, but it will be useful when you start using other where filters like where, in, like, in between. But let's just use this example. We don't want the color to equal black. So now we have where not the color equals black. So we don't want any black to return. Now, yes, you could just easily do this with where not equals black. But This will come in handy when you start using where in like in between statements. So that was for or. So you have all of them. Or and that was for not. Color not black. Okay, and that's the basic syntax for using the and, or not operator with your where clause.